On Tuesday, September the 4th, 2012, Summerlee Museum of Industrial Life in Coatbridge celebrates 50 years of Glasgow Trams. The video footage and photographs showcase a few highlights of the celebration event. During the day, vintage Glasgow buses joined in the celebrations. The tram was originally a double-decker, open top, until Glasgow Corporation Tramways changed the look of the tram later in its working life. It originally was numbered 17 for the Paisley system and then became 1017 for the Glasgow system. It operated the Clydebank to Duntaucher route. This route closed in 1949 and the tram then served as a paint shop shunter at Coplaw Hill Depot until 1960. The body of the tram became a meeting hut in Cambuslang until the 1990s, when it found its way to the Summerlee Museum of Industrial Life in Coatbridge and was then restored to its 1930s condition, entering service in 2002. The event continued on into the evening, providing the opportunity to enjoy the buses and trams with their lights on. The final part of the celebration provided a depot tour by volunteers of the Summerlee Transport Group and the chance to see the Glasgow Corporation double-decker Coronation Tram 1245, which is currently undergoing renovation. This was the last tram to run in the Glasgow tram routes, as it was used to shunt other trams to depots for scrapping, after the Glasgow passenger services ended in 1962. We will end with a final look at the trams running in the evening light at Summerlee.